Hi YouTube, welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael and today we have a quick project on the quad. I want to go ahead and mount a chainsaw mount, so it's going to be easy for me to store it and to carry it with me on the trails. I'm already using the Cabela's ATV cargo boxes front and rear, which I actually like very much. And there isn't really a nice place to put a chainsaw unless I use a dedicated mount. So let's go ahead and get that job done. So what I went ahead with was the Koplin product. I picked this up at Cabela's a couple of days ago. They had stock of them, which was nice to see because everyone else was out. And it should be a pretty straightforward mount. I'm going to put it on the back here, facing outwards, but it'll make more sense in a second. That should be a pretty quick install. So first of all, I've got a small box of hardware. I have the saw press itself, which goes on here. And there is also a mounting bracket. So this can be mounted in several different directions and ways. The way I'm going to actually mount this is right about there. So I want the plate somewhere around here, I think. It gives me enough room here at the back where my strap goes for my cargo bag. So I think that would work right about there. Okay, so that's bolted on. I could put another bolt further on here, but I think that's going to be good for what I need. And let's go ahead and put on these little bumpers. Should stop it damaging my canvas bag. But I might actually come back and trim these off. Let's see how we do. Next, we're going to attach the actual plate itself. And we should have some bolts in here. It looks like you can have this at different positions. I think this is going to work best for me. And the last job is just to put on still nut. And there we are, all installed. So I think I got it this time. We've bumped it out, a little space here so I can get my box on without interfering with it. There we go. It's very secure. I don't think that's going anywhere. So just a quick video about the Koplin chainsaw press from Cabela's. It's really going to add a nice little feature for my ATV trips, and it's well worth the money in my opinion. So let me know in the comments what you use for your ATV transport, and until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.